Why should men take oil bath on Wednesday and Saturday, and why women are advised to take bath on Tuesday and Friday? So there are a lot of days prescribed by our ancestors that they have divided it for male and female. They have to take bath. I'm talking about a complete oil bath. So all oil bath, I think there's a lot of video and blog, we have published it. Please check that part. But we are only here to clarify certain things. That's what one of the questions they asked. So I thought I'll make a video around it on the reason of why. In 7 days, there are certain days where sun's energy enter into our body, and there are certain days moon's energy enter into our body. Okay, so that is an important point. So why? Let's take women first. Why do they have to take bath on a Tuesday versus Friday? So Tuesday is a day where most of the Mars energy enters into it. That is why it is called. If you take traditional name, you will find the name as a Mars name only will be there. So it represents blood in our body, the courage. So for a woman, blood is a very important tool, because through the blood only they have that cycle and other things. So their blood has to be pure all the time. So taking bath on that day helps them detox their blood. So it is very highly efficient for them. They can do it. Or if male members who have any blood related issues, skin issues, you can also take bath. Nothing wrong in it. Nothing wrong in to take bath. Okay. So on a Friday, again it represents Venus, where it is where woman has a very unique organ in their body called as uterus and ovaries and other things, where it is the creator. So that has to be healthy, and that has to be detox, because all their childhood sexual abuse, verbal abuse, trauma, everything is stored there only. So that will affect them in a later point of time when they are about to give birth. That could also lead to PCOS or PCOD. One of the reason. Don't immediately connect, okay, Velu said this immediately, okay, that means it is the reason. No, it is one of the reason. So they have to detox and keep it healthy. You can't put your hand into the body and massage all the parts, right? I can't massage my heart because it's inside the rib cage. I can only massage it through my breath work. Same thing, like if I want to massage my stomach, one thing I can do is I can do certain asanas and I can fast. Complete pipe can be like that. For these organs, reproductive organs, particularly for women, to produce, remove the stress out of it, oil bath on a Friday would help you. I'll give you one more bonus tip here. On a Friday, if you take bath in the before sunset, that is even more ideal. If you do oil bath, that is an additional bonus on a Friday. Only that day it is allowed, because moon's energy will enter directly. If you take bath immediately after that, moonlight would come after sunset, you will get more moon's influence on you and more clarity you will have. That is why morning and evening they made it as a practice that we have to take bath. Now it is the 2 days, 2 times a day has become into one because of water scarcity and laziness and no time. And even that one time bath also, people now divide the bath like head bath and body bath. Bathing means always from here only, whole body. You can't, that is called cleaning, because the here is where all the 5 organs and 5 senses are there. If you ignore this and clean the rest of the thing, this is like wiping the car outside the mirror, and inside engine all things are crabbed. So that is why for women they specifically say on Thursday and Tuesday and Friday. For men it is on a Wednesday and a Saturday. Saturday is the day of detox generally. So men in those times they were going out and working. They are more logical minded thinking people. Women by default have multiple task experts they are. Women can cook at the time, listen to radio, answer a phone. They can do multiple things together. It is very natural for them. It might be surprising for men, but they can't do one work in a time, they can do 5 works in a time. But there are some male energy in a female soul where they can't do multitasking. That is a different story, that they need some therapy. For same thing for men, no, they can't. When they're reading newspaper, they'll be there only. You can't talk about anything next to them. Maybe they will not be there. They will think you're in some other world. That is why many fights happen between the couples. The reason is their thinking process is different. I would say beautiful book. I think you all know it. Men are from Mars and women are from Venus. It's a beautiful book. It gives a good perspective to understand each other. That's all. It is not the universal truth. It is some facts which will really help you understand your journey. That's all. So for men, the thought process has to be enhanced. For that, Mercury is the main sign of intelligence. So Wednesday they are asked to do it. On a Saturday, it's a day of karma because they are the head of the family and they take decisions usually. I'm not talking about women don't have rights and all. Everybody has to be collectively making, but somebody has to sign, right? Only one person signs. Mostly it is the male member. So their karma should not affect others. So Saturday they do the detox. Saturday is a day of karma. One of the day that you should avoid doing head bath is Thursday for sure, because that is the only day you are getting the Guru's grace and you don't want to waste time in it. It's all about spiritual activity. And Sunday is the time sun energy enters into our body. That time if you release the heat and heat is coming, you will have a lot of problem. Sunday at any point of time, because Sunday is a holiday, don't take oil bath on that day. Sunday is the day you should not at all take oil bath. It might lead to later heat related issues in your body. So that is the reason they said these days. And Monday is also a very neutral day. You can take bath you can do oil bath in case you don't have time. These are recommended facts. What our ancestors have told us, these are days for men and these are days for women. Doesn't mean, you should understand, doesn't mean that okay, it is for men, I should not do it. Not like that. You can take bath. It's very simple. If you are planning to conceive, if you are going to seed in a girl, you're going to send your seed to a girl's body, then Friday you can take bath, nothing wrong in it. You are preparing your body, right? Because the organ is for male, it is outside. Due to the temperature, it is by default it is cleansed. For women, it is kept preserved inside. So they need that additional mechanism to release the heat outside. That is why they said it. This is my perspective. Do share, and oil bath 2 times a week is a must. People who have done oil bath has seen miraculous changes in our group, and do share your experience. Thank you, and that's all I have for now, and I'll meet you in another interesting video. Bye.